We're anchored out for the night. We're gonna make shrimp scampi and arugula salad. All right, so we got some pretty simple ingredients for the shrimp scampi. We have some of the lemon, we have shallots, we have garlic, we have some Parmesan cheese that's gonna go in the salad, our pasta, 1 pound of Mayport shrimp because it's fresh, some parsley, broccoli, and zucchini that goes in, and then most important, red hot pepper, olive oil, and we have our spices, and then we'll put in some butter. So we've prepped everything. We have 1 zucchini and we have 1 small head of broccoli chopped. We've got 1 pound of shrimp. We've deveined it. The important deveiner was brought on board. The shrimp's again from Mayport. This normally lives at the house. Always is important for shrimp. We have 2 cloves of garlic and 1 shallot chopped finely. An ingredient that I did not mention before but is imperative. This is all going to cook in our Magma cookware. We love this because it's really compact. It fits down underneath the microwave in our galley, and it has all the cookware we need on board. All right, so with the Magma comes with a handle. The top is the fry pan. Handle slides on. The butter's melted, shallots and garlic are browned, and it's time to add in the vegetables first for about 2-3 minutes, and we'll add salt and pepper. Get these going in that garlic and olive oil. Add some salt. Add the canned pepper that we have on the boat. And we'll let this saute for about 2 minutes till they start to brown and soften. So we have our pasta boiling, we've got our vegetables sauteed, time to add the shrimp. Get that started, and now comes a very important step as well. We add our red pepper, not too much, but we add a couple pinches to add some heat to this. All right, so the arugula salad, how you make it, is as important as what are the ingredients. So you'd make a layer of arugula, you put Parmesan on, and then another layer of arugula, salt, pepper, Parmesan on top. This is 1 lemon and a teaspoon of olive oil. Put half of it on here. And the only way to spread that dressing is shake it. But that coating there makes the biggest difference of anything else when making this recipe. So everything's ready. We've added the parsley and butter, the 1.5 lemon, and the wine. So this is the shrimp scampi's all ready, pasta's ready and hot on the edge. We have our handy dandy collapsible colander strainer. And we're ready to serve and eat.
Dave's always a great cook, but cooking and eating out on the water, even better. Cheers.